What if I told you that right now, thousands of people are rubbing coconut oil on their gums and drinking eggshell tea? They are doing this because someone on the internet promised them their lost teeth would grow back naturally. And what if I also told you that one of those ideas is actually not completely crazy? Welcome to Dental Miracle. Today, we are going myth by myth through every grow your teeth back claim on the internet. We are finding out with real science which ones are pure fiction and which one has a sliver of truth behind it. By the end of this video, you will know more about tooth regeneration than most people and never fall for these tricks again. Before we start, let me give you a quick piece of biology, because without this, none of this video makes sense. Your teeth are made of dentin, coated by enamel, the hardest substance your body produces. And here's the problem. Enamel has no living cells. Once it is gone, your body has absolutely no natural mechanism to rebuild it. None. Dentin is different. It has living cells called odontoblasts that can produce tiny amounts of tertiary dentin as an emergency patch kit. It does not regrow a tooth, it just plugs a tiny hole, barely. Below the gum line, things get even more complex. Lose the tooth, and the jawbone starts to shrink within weeks. So, regrowing a tooth requires rebuilding everything from scratch. Let's look at oil pulling. People claim swishing coconut oil for 20 minutes pulls toxins out and grows teeth back. Research shows it can reduce certain bacteria associated with plaque, but it cannot rebuild lost tooth structure. If your car's windshield cracks, washing the car more often does not fix the crack. Oil pulling is the car wash. It's not new glass. Next, eggshells. The idea is that calcium carbonate from shells will spontaneously assemble back into your enamel. Wrong. Your enamel is hydroxyapatite, a very specific microscopic structure. Calcium carbonate from eggshells simply isn't the same thing. Plus, improperly prepared eggshell powder carries a salmonella risk. Skip the eggshell tea. It doesn't do what they claim. Then there are expensive supplements: neem oil, moringa, turmeric. Some claim to activate tooth regeneration for $100 a bottle. There is no peer-reviewed clinical study showing these cause new tooth structure to form. Not one. They may support gum health or ease pain. Dentists even use eugenol from cloves, but they won't regrow an amputated tooth. Now for the nuanced one, diet. High vitamins K2 and D3. Can you really reverse cavities? This gets a yellow flag. Very early stage cavities or incipient lesions can actually be remineralized if the surface is still intact. But once a cavity breaks through the surface, remineralization is finished. The hole does not fill itself. Okay, I promised you one thing that has actual science behind it. Nano-hydroxyapatite toothpaste. These are synthetic particles, small enough to penetrate the enamel surface and fill in microscopic scratches. Japan has been using this since the 1980s. It's the closest thing to actual enamel repair that currently exists. Real full tooth regeneration, like Japan's USA G1 drug trials, is coming, but it's still in clinical trials. It's not here yet. I made this video because these myths cause real harm by giving people false hope and a reason to delay care. By the time they see a dentist, what could have been a filling becomes an extraction. Don't wait. The day you can take a pill and grow a tooth is coming. But until then, science happens in labs, not your kitchen cabinet. Let's recap. Oil pulling and eggshells. No evidence for regrowth. Supplements mostly hype. Diet good for prevention only. And nano-hydroxyapatite, the one thing with real science for early surface repair. If you are in pain, please see a dentist. Subscribe to Dental Miracle for more real science. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.